Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to enable, so how to turn on or off the charging sound on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on sounds and vibrations. Now let's scroll and find system sound and vibration control, and as you can see, actually right in the middle we've got the charging. So this option is responsible for turning on or off the charging sound after plugging in the cable. Right now it is turned off, so it means that your device won't have the sound feedback, but if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher. Here we've got also the options which are connected to the vibration, but let me actually focus on this one. So if you are not the biggest fan of this sound feedback, just tap on the switcher again in order to turn off the charging sound. So actually this is it. This is how to actually manage the charging sounds in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.